Hi guys, this is a quick video on how to set up a tri-stand with the chain vise here. So first off, you can see that this screw is all the way out. You need it to be in all the way for you to actually tighten it up. So what you do is you twist this counterclockwise, loosen off the screw, which will basically cause the chain to give you more chain coming out. Wrap that around. There's a set of latches on the other side. So once you put the chain around the piece of conduit you're trying to secure, you then tighten that chain up clockwise. It doesn't have to be super tight, just, you'll be able to tell. It's enough to hold it steady. Then you take your hacksaw, and really, you don't have to do much with this. You can just kind of cut. You don't really have to hold it too hard. It's a nice, easy way to make a cut. Once you are done, you open up the chain vise again, the tri-stand, all the way for the next person. Okay, fold the chain over, pull your piece out, ream the conduit, and you are good to go.